G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This particular tree is 18 years, 10 months old. It was my son's tree. He bought this tree when he was 7 years old. He's 25 now. He hasn't looked after it. He looked after it for a little while when he was 7. But he stopped, and so I've looked after it ever since. So now I consider it my tree. But when I kick it, he'll get it. He can have it. He can have it back. But yeah, so I'm going to give this a little trim. This is what I consider the face of my tree. And yeah, as you can see, it's just needing a little haircut, and that's what we're going to give it today. I might start with a tippy top today. Yeah, well, we're just going to give it a refining haircut. Bring it in and down. So what I do, I've got some photos. I've got this really ugly photo of this tree when my boy brought it. So I'll try and add it into the footage when I'm doing my editing. But it's not a very good picture, but it'll give you an idea of how it looked. You know, it's not the most focused picture or anything, but you can still see it. And then I've got a couple of other photos of the tree when it was as it's been growing. I can maybe add 1 or 2 of them as well. But yeah. This is a nice tree. I think it's quite pretty. So I think my boy will love getting it when I kick it. You know, he'll have it, and I think he'll appreciate it. Especially because it was his as well, like to start with. So I'm sure he'll, he'll like it for that reason too. Knowing that this was a tree that he started once upon a time. Okay, so I think I'm finished. I've cut the tips off of most of it. I called this Jade Tree because that's my son's name. He's the one who brought it. It cost him $10 when he bought it, and now it's mine. But yeah, it's a nice tree. I don't mind this growing up a bit because with a tree that's lower branches have got more weight and older, and the higher it goes, the younger the growth. So therefore, it's growing up towards the light more. So that's okay. But yeah, not a bad tree. I may still have to trim in further. Usual story with me. I don't like going too wild. But hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.